guys, today, remember from that match we won 5-3.
Yep, this is the pack openings for that match.
Yeah, because we lost 6.
Yeah, we lost the next game. So we've got 2 games in. Let's see what you get for 2 games in on a foot draft. We got, what do we get? A gold pack, and a jumbo gold pack. Right, what are you going to go for first, Freddie? The jumbo?
Who do you want to?
I reckon you should go for the jumbo first. Let's see. The jumbo pack first, guys.
No.
No, you're going to go for the...
last.
Okay. Save that for last.
3 red, 24 gold, and 24 white.
Okay then, let's go for that. Here we go, everyone. What's it going to be? Are we going to get anything? No. It's not a walkout. Is it going to be a board? No. Who got Spanish left mid? Tello. 92 pace, Fred. 92 pace. No, he didn't. Right, so... Okay. Up they go. Up. Save them for later and we'll put them on the transfer window. Oh, and Dean Austin. Charlie Austin. Charlie Austin. Right, down. Right, let's get rid of them. Let's do the next one then. Here we go. The next gold pack. Sorry? Oh, here we go. Is it a board? No. Brazilian strike. The jumbo gold pack. We're hoping that's going to be a board. Or a walkout would be good. We haven't had a walkout in ages. Alright then, let's get rid of them, save them. Well done, Freddie. Alright then, here we go, guys. This is our last pack.
Jumbo gold pack.
Here we go. No look pack. Freddie's not going to look. There's no light at the bottom. Marcone. Oh dear. We haven't had a walkout in ages. But once we sell all these players that we've just got loads of fitness stuff. Oh, 1,000 coins, that's handy. Hawk, that's worth some coins, Freddie, I think. See if that's worth anything. No, it's not. It used to be. Sometimes it is, sometimes it's not. Right, so that's it then. Thanks, guys. Now we're going to put all these players up for sale, and we'll see how many coins we've got. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like Freddie's videos. Bye, guys.